Hey guys, it's 2015, day 56, week 9. Just an update on my trade. So I've got the Great British Pound US dollar, and we're in a long position at the moment, going for a massive, I believe it was a 4-to-1 risk-reward ratio. So just to recap on the analysis, it looks like it's hit a very long-term support line there on a weekly and also on a monthly level. So you can see that support line has been there since March 2010, and it's also been retested again in 2012, and it looks like it's been retested currently. So we're just going to go off that, and hopefully it retraces back or moves up towards what previously it has been the resistance line. So we're going for a super long trade there, and currently it looks like it's moving in the right direction. Even the exponential moving averages are also coming together as well, so it's quite good. Similar story with the Euro Great British Pound. So we're going for a long-term trade. So you can see that the market's been bearish for a while, and it's just continuing to drop at a monthly level, and even on a weekly level, it just it's just kind of falling down. So we're just in the long trade, and if we look at a high level there, the take profit is kind of where a previous resistance line was, so just a little bit higher than that, just so that we're not too ambitious there. Also just made a trade on the Australian US dollar, so we're buying it just at the low there, so I hope it looks like it's just bounced off this diagonal line that we've got, and it looks like it's been kind of quite consistent, and our stop loss is quite short, but we are going for a higher reward there, so hopefully that will be a positive move. So it does look like it's just broken out of that inside bar, and we've also got, if we zoom down to the daily level, we've also got a couple of days where the support line here has been tested, and there's also some pin bars as well to support it, and it just feels like it's right to get into the market at this point. So just those three trades at the moment. I did go through and analyze some of the other ones. Euro US dollar, nothing much going on there. It doesn't look like it's moving too much, but on the monthly level, it does look like it is quite bearish. Well, obviously. So I'm not sure whether it's going to continue going down to where I've got this support line there, but currently trying not to get excuse me, into too many markets at this point. We're going to skip the US dollar Swiss, US dollar yen. So again, on a long term, this one looks like it's actually just hit a support line up there, and it looks like it might start going bearish. So we'll be watching this over the next couple of weeks or a couple of months, just to see if it does come down from this massive bullish movement that's been happening since 2012. So that should be interesting. Australian New Zealand dollar, this is also quite interesting as well, because on a long-term trend, it's actually hit a low which has been there. Oh, well, this is the lowest it's been since 2005, 2006. So it'll be really interesting to see if we make new ground to go even lower, or whether it's time for a reversal to kind of go, no, this is enough and is enough. This is the bottom, and it's going to push back up. So I'll be keeping an eye on the Australian New Zealand dollar, definitely, for sure. US dollar Canadian, I haven't actually really monitored this one, to be honest. But if we have a quick look now, so just on a long-term trend, you can actually see I've actually got a resistance line there. So it does actually look like it's kind of reversing from that, but this is a monthly view, and that was the line there from back in 2008 when we had the economic crisis. So not sure if that's really going to break through, but on a sort of high level, it does look like there's a few inside bars, so maybe there's some indecision, and it'll be worthwhile to watch this one as well. I don't have much time left, so I might skip the rest and just leave myself in the market with these three trades.